your, if I can use the term, Samoan-ness in a concrete jungle? Well, you're gonna have to stay hungry. Be curious, ask questions. Like I said, I was born in Oceanside, and now living here and living several years in Samoa, I was very hungry to learn the culture, not only the language, but also the culture, the history. And it's amazing how, from a kid who just started learning Samoan when he was 18, now I take our family seas. We don't have a matai over my mother's family right now and my father's family. So our family here in LA, when they need to go take a seat to a funeral or a wedding, they call upon me now. And I feel that it's an accomplishment that was birthed out of curiosity, asking questions. Go to Falafelagas, listen to what they're saying, ask what's the connection.